Welcome all to the series of podcasts on roadmap for the Acing SSC examination. Today we have with Dr. Ganeshan, Director of Sports at Delhi Public School, Bangalore East. Sir has decade of experience mentoring and guiding the students in the field of sports and physical education. Warm welcome to you, sir. As we have board exams starting soon, we would like to share you some important tips or pointers so that student can attempt physical education paper effectively. Here is my first question, sir. What should be the ideal approach for effective preparation before the exam?
So, good morning to all. Know your syllabus first. Know your syllabus first. Understand the weightage of topics accordingly. Keep a printout of the current CBSE syllabus. Refer a latest 2024-25 NCERT textbook. Solve all the NCERT questions. Plenty of practice is required chapter-wise. Which you could refer any question banks available. On completion of syllabus, please solve the CBSE sample question paper, CBSE board papers, and practice papers available at CBSE portal. Also, school exam papers, if you solve, that will be enough.
So for my next question, what is the question pattern for the CBSE board physical education exam?
See, in CBSE, the physical education question, we have the 5 sections. So section A, it will be 1 mark questions. That is a MCQ questions. Section B, there's a 2 mark questions. Section C, we have 3 mark questions. Section D, we have 4 mark questions. And section E, we have the 5 mark questions. But if you come to the each sections, there will be the like 1 to 18, there is a multiple choice questions. So which carrying the 1 mark each questions. So here all the questions are compulsory. So there will be maybe ascertain reason, filling the blanks, short value based questions, and competence based questions. So you have to read carefully and you have to give the answer here. And section B, we have 90 to 24, very short answer types of questions. So here each questions carry 2 marks and here you have to write 60 to 90 words. Out of 6, you have to attempt any 5. And this question also will come like enlist the form of the questions or differentiate the questions like this format will come. Now section C, we have 25 to 30 the numbers. So here the carrying each question 3 marks. So you need to write around 100 to 150 words. Attempt any 5. The differentiate the questions also will come and description based question also will be here. And section D, we have 31 to 33. It's a case studies questions carrying 4 mark each. There is a internal choices also available. All questions are compulsory. Here maximum the questions asked in the picture based question and also in the filling the blanks, the questions will be there. Section E, we have 34 to 37. It's a long answer types carrying 5 marks each. And you have to write 200 to 300 words. Attempt any 3 questions out of 4. And here there is a short types and as well as long types questions also will available.
Sir, and my next question is, so total duration of exam is 3 hours. How can we allocate time for each section for effective completion of paper?
So here, the total, we have the 3 hours paper. In the 3 hours, you have to divide the time allotment. In the first section A, when you are writing, there is a 18 MCQ question. Each question is 1 mark question. So you need to write within 25 minutes. Try to finish it 25 minutes. Section B, there is you need 2 mark question. There's a 5 question. There's a 10 marks. You need to finish 2.5 means 25 minutes. Each marks. So now here, if you go to the section C, there is a 3 mark question. In the 3 mark questions, you have to finish by 30 minutes. Section D, case-based questions. So there you have to finish by 20 minutes. Section E, there is a 5 mark questions. So each question you take 20 minutes. So overall it's a 60 minutes. So the final, there you should keep it 20 minutes. The 20 minutes you have to recheck all the questions you are completed. Then you have to the key word you have to underline and everything that is a point you have to keep it for the recheck time at least 20 minutes.
Thank you, sir. And my next question, can you provide a motivating message for the students appearing for their board exam?
Yes. First, read the question carefully during the reading time. Write concisely. Keep your answer clear and relevant. Ensure that each response clearly specify and corresponding question number and sub-question number as per the question paper. Attempt all questions where there is a choice to be made from two of them given the questions. Choose the question where you are confident of scoring full marks. There is a maximum marks. Avoid attempting both. And for multiple choice questions, please mention the option and the corresponding answer also. Because many students only writing the options. So you have to write the corresponding answer also you have to write. Answer all the questions from the same section in sequence. If unsure about the any answer, any questions, so leave the space and return to it later. Preferably start with the easy questions.
Thank you, sir.
Here I want to tell the message to the children appearing for the board exams. So first you should understand the syllabus and master the NCERT textbooks. Use the keyword and diagram mainly for the drawing the fixtures, drawing the yoga postures or the special Olympics, everything you need to draw properly and practice the previous year's question papers as well as school. They are giving the lot of exams that papers you can see and solve the paper, then revise smartly. So every regularly, whatever the you are giving the read, you just to make it sure. Then be confident in the board exams. So that should be very important here.